right, so for their student work for Wednesday, March 3rd, they're going to do their attendance first. And then in their attendance, their question is, what is the best part about getting older? So that is an opinion question. Make sure that they answer that. And then they have two parts. So we are reading, we're going to start reading a chapter part, just a portion of a chapter book. The chapter book is called The Cricket in Times Square. So we are this week are reading two of the chapters. So chapter one, the first chapter that we read is called Chester. When they click on this, it will take them to an ed puzzle like normal. They click on the link, they sign in with Google, and then they can answer the questions along the way. When they exit out of that, if they come back, they will have the second chapter called Harry Cat, and they will do the same thing. They will log into Ed Puzzle. There will be 5 questions for them to answer along the way. And then their final task, we've been working on visualizing this week. So we know that in chapter books, there aren't as many pictures as if we read a regular book that we normally read in the classroom or a non-chapter book. So they're going to have to do a lot of visualizing in their head. So what I want them to do, I want them to pick one of the major events that we learn about in chapters 1 or 2 and draw a picture of it on a plain piece of paper. When they're done when they're done drawing their picture, I want them to go into a Flipgrid and share their picture and record what details they included. So what they saw happening as they were listening to the story. And that is it. Please be mindful, though. I went in as of Monday night and went into the makeup work folder, and there's still a mess of students that are missing work. I know that some students did complete it on Tuesday in the classroom, or started working on some of them. So I will start updating them tomorrow as soon as I have a chance. But you can always have your student log into ClassKick. If you're not sure, like if you want to know why their name is still on there, you could have them log in and actually go find the assignment themselves and show you what they have done. After this week, after Friday, these are going to disappear because our folder is getting jammed packed with assignments, and I want to move on and kind of give them a fresh start. So if you could have them check in on that folder. If you see anything that's not completed, just ask your student to show you, and maybe you can go over it with them as well on Wednesday. If you have any questions, as always, you can reach out to me. They can reach out through Schoology, or they have you contact me.